Hello and welcome to this video. It's for Applied Math 4DS students taking probability. And we're going to look at when and how to use the fundamental counting principle. This is probably one of the first things you looked at in your probability unit. And the confusion that surrounds the fundamental counting principle is when you can actually use it. The fundamental counting principle is, hopefully you've seen in classes, when you put some number of underlines and then you fill in the underlines with a number of choices and then multiply all that together to get some kind of answer. You know to use that when you are selecting one object from any number of different groups. Okay, so on the first slide we had this example. We've got 3 paint colors, 2 carpet colors, and 2 wallpaper patterns. I'm assuming we're not painting and wallpapering the same wall in a room. That would be silly. But if you're going to pick a paint color, a carpet color, and a wallpaper pattern for a room, in how many ways could you decorate the room if you're going to pick one from each? So how you use the fundamental counting principle is each group gets an underline. So this would be the paint, this would be the carpet, this would be the wallpaper. And then on top of the underlines, you put the number of choices in that group. So for the first group, for paint, we have 3 choices, so I would put a 3. For the carpet colors, I have 2 choices, navy or brown, so I would put 2 choices. And for the wallpaper patterns, I have 2 choices, lines or whatever this is, flowers. And so I have 2 choices for wallpaper. And then when I'm done that, I just multiply those together and I get 12. There are 12 different combinations of paint and wallpaper and carpet that you could use in this room. For a second example, we'll go without pictures. It says you own 5 pairs of pants, 4 shirts, 9 pairs of socks, 3 pairs of shoes, and 2 hats. So if you're going to make up an outfit that has pants, a shirt, socks, shoes, and a hat, how many different outfits can you make from your wardrobe? Again, we're not worried about whether things go together, just how many possible outfits are there. So the question is there a set of groups here? And there is. There's pants, shirts, socks, shoes, and hats, which is 5 different groups. And you're going to pick one thing only from each group. That's how you know it's a fundamental counting principle question, when you're picking one thing from a number of different groups. So you're picking one of the 5 pairs of pants, so you put a 5 because you have 5 choices. You have 4 shirts to choose from. You have 9 pairs of socks to choose from. You have 3 pairs of shoes to choose from, and 2 hats. So to figure out how many possible outfits you can make from your wardrobe, you just need to times all those, or multiply all those together, which I'm just doing on the side here, and you have 1,080 different outfits that you could wear. I hope that helped clear up a little bit when you use the fundamental counting principle. It's when you're picking one item from each of some different number of groups. So when you go ahead and use the fundamental counting principle. Thanks for watching.